Oh, Carrie, I've tried every product on my face, on my skin, and it doesn't work. So, this question goes back to you. When was the last time you took out time to exfoliate your skin? When was the last time you took out time to exfoliate your face? When was the last time you did that facials? Sister, when was the last time you applied sunscreen on your face before leaving your house? When was the last time? I mean, the questions goes on and on. So all of these questions bounces back to you. So we need to have some time for our skins. We need to have time for ourselves. Okay. So when we talk of you having time for yourself, you also need to create time for your skin. If you can't have time for your skin, auntie, uncle, leave it. Just leave that body cream or that skincare product that you want to buy. Okay, don't bother buying it, because tell me why you don't have 5 minutes, 10 minutes, yes, 15 minutes for your skin. When was the last time you took that facials? When was the last time you pampered your skin? When was the last time? You are too busy trying to make money, forgetting to know that your skin needs to be pampered and it needs that healing. Do you know that you being regular with your skincare routine is another source and type of healing? Yes, I'll call it source. You can heal by actually doing or practicing your skincare routine or taking your skincare routine serious. That's basic and that's really real. Some of us underrate all of this, but it's the basic truth. Some men think that skincare is for women, but I mean, skincare is for everybody. You need to take your facials serious, you need to take your skincare game serious. Trust me, if you want to look younger than your age, you need to take all of this serious. So I beg of you, if you're not ready to spend time on your skin, I mean, imagine that you're spending 5-10 minutes on your skin on a daily basis. Do you know how long this will be? If you want to do the maths, calculate it in a year, in a month, in a week. So please, please, please take your skincare game serious and see how your skin will be so so beautiful. Your skin will be beautiful, and every product that you're going to use on your face will work for you, because I think that you're moving from A to B sometimes because you do not have patience. Some of you want to use products that whiten up your skin in 1 or 2 days. I don't have such products. If you're looking for any skincare product that is going to brighten or whiten you in 3 days, please don't come to me, because I don't know how to do that. No, I can't. Okay, so please pay attention to this, pay attention to your skin, pay attention. Some of us do develop acne because we do not take care of our faces, we don't wash them appropriately. Stress, you're so stressed up, you forget about everything. So please, 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 know all of this and know peace. And one more thing before I forget, take care of your skin. The money you're looking for, it needs to get into your skin and pamper your skin at least, all right? And feel happy about it. Until then, I'll see you right here. Bye.